Wake the town and tell the people. Yard style family, are you ready?
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Pleasant morning, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Yard Style Fishing Adventure. This morning me out here, people. You can't see me driving right now, but me I head down for the seaside. Yeah, the same youth in the previous video where me did help catch the sprat them. He did say him me come help him catch some sprat. The following day, that is today. Yes, so me I head down for the seaside right now because I'm actually I come from another point out of a fishing village. Hope Bay. Yeah, man. So me I head down for the seaside. I'm gonna sail come down and I'm gonna pick me up, alright? And then we're gonna head to the spot which we are gonna hunt for the sprat them. So today it's gonna be a great day. I'm super excited. I am very excited about this one, people. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna get suit up and go and wait for him, alright? When we reach on the beach. Yeah, so stay tuned, people. Alright now, people, so you see the boat are forward. Me suit up and everything already. Me just not draw up the suit fully. Me have my little bucket and me have a fish gun and everything. So me just walk go down on the beach front here now. And then I pull up and me just jump in it. Yeah? Yeah, man. So guys, stay tuned. Today is going to be epic, you know. We're gonna have a lot of action today. Yeah, man. Alright guys, so we went to the spot, didn't see the sprats, so I decided on suiting up because I had my spear gun and everything and jumping in the water and see what I could find. I would swim back to the location where they picked me up. As I got in the water, I took a first dive at a doctor fish because the guys wanted one to make bait. I took a shot and missed that one. So I took a dive on top of this reef, grunting and dusting, hoping for something nice to come close enough. I have a smaller spear gun today, so I don't have enough power. This is a school of surgeon fish, we call them doctor fish. Here I took a random dive using the same technique. As you can see, the surgeon fish swimming over, some other small fish swimming around as well. So the guys came back to check on me. Everything was okay. They were actually fishing. Here I saw a lobster in this hole. I decided on taking this lobster. So I took a shot and I got this one. Here I saw this spot and I love how it looked, so I decided on taking a dive here and checking underneath these holes to see what I could find. These are some squirrel fish. The red ones are some squirrel fish. Right underneath here I saw another lobster, so I decided on taking that one as well. Here I saw a lionfish, so I took the dive, went all the way down, I lined it up properly, and I give it a decent shot right through the mouth. Right here on this rock I saw some grunts, so I decided on taking one, so I made the dive down nice and slow. Now this rock area was very festive with fish. There's a lot of movements, a lot of life right there. Now here you can see some doctor fish or blue tang. That's the name of the blue ones. And the brown ones, we call those sou'wester. That's a parrotfish swimming by as well. There's another parrotfish swimming by with the doctor fish. And the gray fish with the yellow stripes, we call those surgeon majors. The doctor fish, we call them surgeon fish. Now that's the grunt that I was talking about. It's a group of them. They swam away, so I head back to the top to get some breath. I took another dive at the same spot, same technique, with the hope of getting one of these grunts this time. So I head down nice and slow, and I saw the grunts at the hole. So I take my time, I lined one up, and I took a decent shot, and I got that one. Here I shot another grunt off camera. This is a nice one. This is one of the grunts that Twiggy always shoot. I finally got a chance to shoot one. Yeah, it's a nice one. Here I saw another huge school of grunt, so I took a dive. I settled on top of the reef using the same technique, the grunting and scratching technique, and I saw them coming over, but they didn't come close enough for me to take a shot because I have the smaller spear gun today. If I had the longer spear gun, then I would have gotten one or two of those. At the same spot I saw a dog teeth snapper that I wanted to take, but it swam right into that hole, and I didn't get a chance to get that one. Here I saw another huge school of surgeon fish, aka doctor fish, swimming on top of this reef. So I took a dive right here. We see them splitting up. Now this spot is known for lionfish, so I decided I wanted to take a couple of those home. So I made a dive right here to see if I would see any lionfish. As I got down closer to the hole, I realized that there was some lionfish under there. So I lined one up, I took a shot, and I got that one. So I took a second dive at the same spot because there was like about 2 or 3 more lionfish under there. I went back to the spot to take one more of those lionfish. So right here at this spot, I just took a random dive. The reef is beautiful on this side of the island, I should say again. It is very beautiful. It got a lot of colors down here. Got a small colorful tropical fish. It is beautiful. That's a hognose parrot. I wanted to take that one with me, but it was always swimming away from me as I was chasing and trying to find a good angle to take a shot. Unfortunately, I didn't get a shot at that one. Now it's time to get out of the water to get these fish cleaned up and cook up. Alright, so getting out of the water right now. Stay tuned. So yeah, peeps, see that the weather kinda change up a little. It's not too bad, same way still. We have some more breeze on the water, the current kinda strong going down. But still give thanks, you know. It's alright, same way. Yeah man. And this is how I catch today, people. This is the catch of the day. As you all know, some lionfish them here. 2 little lobster. Catch 2 grunt. And 1 parrot. Yeah man, so this is a catch idea, people. Alright now people, so I reach home. I go steam 2 fish with some rice, some Bulga rice. I don't know if you know Bulga rice, so I go mix that with the regular rice. That already I cook. So I go clean up the fish them now, and then I go get steaming, alright? Yeah man. Yeah man, see you going there. Yeah people, fresh out of the ocean, straight into the pot. We now waste no time. Fresh fish. This is what you call fresh fish. The people just nice and chilling, you know. Love the country vibe, yeah. It's just quiet and nice. Yeah, alone all day, I saw the breeze and blow, you just drop all asleep. Right now, if I never did I do something, I drop asleep long time. It's just nice, man. It's nice. Hey people, so me almost done clean up here now. So catch you in the kitchen, alright? I go chef up what me a chef up and make you see what I go on. So pay close attention. Yeah peeps, so see what I go on there. Fish them scale up and them I go steam. So that fish, this one I name pumpkin steam fish. I go drop some pumpkin in it, yeah? Yeah. Make you go on too. Alright, now people, so I'm going to cut up everything here. Pumpkin, scallion and thyme, pepper, and some okra. Yeah man. Pumpkin steam fish, you know. I got load today. Alright now people, so see the pot on the fire, yeah? Inside cooking today. Just a little bit of water inside here. So when that warm up now, I'm going to add some of the ingredients. I'm going to add the ingredients them to it. Like pumpkin and the seasoning them, alright? Yeah. Alright now peeps, so see what I go on here. You can see say pot take time and steam up. Now get in them now. Yeah. Smell good already. Yeah man, look at that. So I'm gonna add some seasoning to it right now, some fish seasoning and some all-purpose. Alright, so now I'm gonna add the fish seasoning to it. That's enough. And I also gonna add a little bit of all-purpose seasoning to it. Yep, then I'm gonna spread that. Yeah, people, the okra, they make it thick up already and everything. Love this, look at this. Look at that. I see the okra thickness. Yeah man, so we make this go and cook down a little bit, especially the pumpkin. And then we're going to add the fish them to it. Alright now people, so them are cook. Yeah, look more light in our place. Yeah, them are cook now, so I'm going to add the fish them to it, alright? Yeah man, so firstly I'm going to add this one. Steam fish. Proper way. Proper way you know I get the steam fish. So I'm gonna have to stay in the middle. Alright. So I'll go on here now. Steam fish, pumpkin steam fish, bro. And properly. Like that. And done. This have a nice people. No one smell it already. You know people, so see what I go on there. I'm going to drop a small piece of butter in it. A lot of people don't really put butter in them steam fish, but I love when the butter go in it, you know. So see it there. Butter in my steam fish. So I talk about look. As I said before, you cook to your liking, me cook to my liking, and I share it with you, alright? Yeah, man. Alright, now people, so the fish don't steam. So what I go on here, you know? Yeah, man. Steam a come out of the steam fish. Now that I go on, people, I'm going to share out here now. And I'm going to see what I go on. Here, people, see it here now. And the rice. Nice, there. Mix. Here, people, see what I go on here. Bulga rice with steam fish, you know. Mixed rice, I should say. Yeah, man, see fish there. Well steamed down with the okra and thing. And the pumpkin. Yeah, man. Looking good. Well steady on the plate there. Yeah, people. I eat this, you know. Well, not. Yes, good too. One time never used to like the rice of people, but I tell you. And Judas cookie, nice. You can see mixed with pumpkin as well. Coconut milk. Well ready. And fish. Well soft and decent, well steamed. Hungry, Ray. Tea time. No more nice again. Yeah, go sleep when you're done. Alright, now my viewers and subscribers, we have come to the end of a video. A wonderful video, I should say. The hunting was excellent. The food was actually great, I can say. And just the vibe, you know, the peacefulness around the area. Yeah man, the place just nice and peaceful. Listen. Yeah man, that is what I'm talking about, you know. Yeah man, so just the whole environment, the whole ambient, the whole vibe just make everything right. And I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. We are growing, we are getting there. We're heading for 10K. I want to say a big thank you to all my supporters. Thanks for watching, liking, commenting, and sharing the videos as the channel grow. Continue to share, and bless up on this one, and catch you on the next one. All right? Yeah man. People, you know what this name? Enough people call it Share Me Maka or Share Me Darling. Share Me Darling. And I have some little maca on it, so they will actually like juke you. Only. So next one here. Share Me Darling. Whole heap in the bush, whole heap in the bush.